Hi students, welcome to this new video. This is puzzle number 48. So in this puzzle we are going to see what is the number that is going to come in this question mark. Okay, so as you can see the first number can be written as 1 factorial. So 1 factorial means the answer is 1. And the next number is 2, that is I can write it as 2 factorial. So it will be 2 into 1, so that will be again 2. Then 6 can be 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly 24 is because of 4 factorial and this 120 is because of 5 factorial. So therefore the answer for this question mark will be 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So therefore 2 into 1 is 2, then 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 24, 24 into 5 120, 120 into 6 that is 720. So this question I have asked in my previous video and one person has given the correct answer. That person name I am going to give it here. So this person has commented the correct answer, that is Katie Nix. Katie Nix was commented the correct answer for this puzzle. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and hype this video so that it will reach more people. Thanks for watching.